Hey angels, so in this video today we are going to be seeing if we can make a wig with one bundle of hair and one closure. So you guys can see here, this is all of my supplies. This is actually the curly hair and this is the closure as well. She wanted like a short curly bob, so that's what we're going for today. This is actually from my mom. She actually got all of these supplies from the hair store. The girl told her to get this and that, and she told me to work my magic. So I figured it'd be a nice lesson for us today. I'm using this styrofoam head, which is not the size of my mom's head actually, so I had to use the duct tape method to actually get it to the size of her head. I have a video of that on my channel, so you guys can check it out. I'll leave it in a card. So this is the mesh dome cap that we will be using today, and I just started off by actually using my T-pins and pinning down this closure, and then I'm actually going to be sewing it up like you guys see right now. And this is actually going to be a lesson for you guys. So it really wasn't a fail, but it kind of could have been a fail, but it really was just a lesson altogether. The wig actually does turn out like nice in the end, but I just want you guys to learn and see some different things. So I would recommend that when you're actually doing this method to make a wig with one bundle of hair and one closure, that you definitely use a dark cap, and you guys will see why pretty soon. I actually started off this unit with the first check at the bottom of the head and work my way up, so you guys see that I'm up at the top by now. I started off by using regular hair glue, and I was like, sis, this is not gonna hold, it's not gonna stay. And I just started using the hot glue gun method, so you guys can see I'm actually using that hot glue gun, and I'm actually pressing down those tracks. And just normally how I would make a unit is pretty much what I'm doing here. I have plenty of videos on my channels making units, but it's super easy. You just want to go around the head shape and just keep working your way up till you get to the top. When you're using the hot glue gun, you are going to get like some glue that's sticking to the hair, but it's cool. Just let it dry down, and then you can just like slide that glue right off the hair. So it's really no big deal. Hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. Just give it a thumbs up if you're enjoying, and if you're new to my channel, please make sure that you subscribe and become one of my angels. So nothing really too spectacular here. Everything is pretty much cool. This hair is actually the type of hair that you can actually spray down and it's going to curl right up. So you guys want to see me in a minute just spraying it down and just fringing it. I'm actually using a whole lot of body mousse to actually define those curls, and as you can see, the curls was actually popping. I would just say that since you're using one pack of hair, you're going to have to space those tracks out more, which is why I'm telling you guys to use a darker cap. Make sure you use a black cap so you won't see those spaces. I'm actually going to lift it up to show you guys the spaces in the unit. Right here you can see the unit looks cute. It's fire. Like, my mom loved it. But if you was to get real gritty and greasy, girl, hello, sis, no she didn't. Yeah, so I just went in with like a black permanent marker just in case the wind blew. But really and truly, you guys can see the wig came out popping. Take off that plastic. That's just how the inside is going to look.